How to start a Angular project. For any Angular project, four things are needed: Node.js, npm, Angular CLI, ID for writing code. First, you have to install the Node.js software on your machine. For installing, you have to open this URL and execute the exe. Once you installed, then you can check by typing the command to check that Node.js is installed or not. Just type node space dash v. This will help you to check that Node.js is installed or not. If it is installed, then it will give you the version like 10 point like this. Now CLI is installed. You can check it by typing npm minus v, and it will give you the CLI current version. Now you need to install Visual Studio Code also for writing and editing your code. It will help you to write the code and debug and do everything as you want in your code. Now we will create a new Angular app by typing ng new and app name which you want. Here we have taken my Angular app. Go on command prompt and type this ng new and my Angular app and press enter. See what happened. I have created a new folder cd my. Now here we will create our first app ng new my app, enter. It will ask, would you like to add routing? Type why. And it will also ask that you want to add CSS in your file. Just select it by, you can up and down by arrow key. Just select the CSS and enter. Now see what is happening. It is creating your app. See, it has started. See, your project has been created. Now, if you want, you can see it by typing here, or you can go in that folder and you can check dir. You will able to see all these file has been created, or you can check here. See here, file has been created. Now go in Visual Source Code. Here, open folder and select the folder. See your app populated here. Now you will get this structure. Here, SRC is the main part in which you do write your codes. Here, by default, you will get you will get five files: app routing module.ts, app component.css, app component html, app component spec.ts, and app component.ts, and app module.ts. This is the in HTML. You have to write your all HTML related code. Now you will also get a terminal. See, this is the terminal. Here you can type ng serve. See, it has started compiling your project. Once it will be successfully compiled, then you can open it in browser. See, it has compiled successfully. Now you can open it in a browser by by clicking, or you can just copy this and paste it in your browser. And enter it. See, it is your first Angular app which has started and ready. Now enjoy your coding. If you want to make any changes, you just click in app component.html page. This is the HTML page. Here many things are written. You can delete all. You can write here your name just in a simple HTML. This is my first Angular app, and save it. Once you save, it will automatically compiled. Control S. See here, it has compiled again, and this has done. Thank you friend for watching my first Angular video.